Every day, 80% of Americans driving on our roads can't see behind them when they're parking. So we decided to look into why more people didn't have parking sensor solutions available on their car. And what we found was that it was too expensive or is much too difficult to install. You practically had to be a car guy to install it yourself. So we made the world's simplest and easiest solution yet to hit the market, introducing Fensense, the world's first smart parking device.
The embedded ultrasonic sensors can detect any object within 3 meters of the car's front or back blind spots. We use an accelerometer to detect when the car is backing up, and then use Bluetooth to automatically launch the app on the driver's phone. We've designed a completely seamless experience that requires no interaction on behalf of the driver.
The device itself installs in less than 5 minutes with absolutely no wiring and only 4 security screws to prevent theft. It's so easy, your grandma can do it. The device itself knows when your car is backing up and immediately launches the app on the driver's phone, providing audio, visual, and vibration alerts for objects in your blind spots. As you can see, Fensense is the simplest and easiest parking sensor solution available on the market today, and we need your help to make this product a reality. We have a ready for manufacturing prototype and a trusted manufacturer ready to go into production. Pre-order yours today to get it for only $99, saving $50 off the MSRP of $149. Please spread the word and tell your friends. Let's make parking safe and simple together.
you have to install them at the rear. Step 1. Remove the old antenna. It's easy, but do it carefully without damaging anything. Step 2. Find the right screw. You get a couple of screws in the back, find the one that fits right. Step 3. Attach the shark fin antenna. A flexible wire and a brass terminal is provided in the shark fin antenna to fit onto the antenna body base. Step 4. Remove the tape. Remove the double-sided tape from the antenna. Step 5. Adjust the final position. Before you fix the antenna properly, recheck the final position. Look at it from all the angles and then just give it a gentle press. The shark is ready to swim on the roads. And here is a quick recap